Mom, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You seem sad. Are you sure?
Tiffany, I'm fine. Just eat your food.
But you're not eating.
Pay attention to your plate.
I know that you're still mad at me for everything that I did. I was just so angry. I know everything is a mess.
Tiffany, stop talking about it. We just need to find a solution. Just eat your food.
Okay, Mom. Mom. Mom, I was bored and I made this for you. I know, pink is not my color, but it's definitely yours. So I wanted to make it special for you.
Thanks. Tiffany, I'm just a little frustrated, that's it. A lot going on and we need to come up with a solid plan. It's just stressing me out. Didn't mean to snap.
And it's all because of me, right?
Yes, but dwelling on it, would that help us now? Would it?
No, Mom.
Right. So let's just talk about something else.
No, you're a very strong woman, Mom.
I tried to be.
No, for real. You're such a phenomenal woman. And with all that happened, I promise you this. I'm going to stay on the straight and narrow moving forward. I'm going to make you proud again. I will never let you down again, Mom. And that is my promise to you.
I'm going to be holding you to that, Tiffany. All this risk that I'm taking is for you to have a better future. So please don't disappoint me after all of this is through.
I won't. Trust me, Mom. I know exactly what I want for my life.
Good. As long as it's not scamming or anything else illegal, I will support you 100%.